Hi, my name is Nur Syafiqah Filza binti Yasreza, and group member name is Nur Ain binti Hasri and Nur Ain binti Muhammad Zaki. Okay, today we want to talk about type and application of rapid prototyping, MCFDM, stereolithography, SLS, LOM, and BPM. First, rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping is a group of techniques used to quickly fabricate a scale model of a physical part or assembly using three-dimensional computer-aided design data. Construction of the part or assembly is usually done using 3D printing or additive layer manufacturing technology. Rapid prototyping is also commonly applied in software engineering to try out new business models and application architecture such as aerospace, automotive, product development, and healthcare. Process rapid prototyping. There are three processes include. First, subtractive, whereby a block of material is carved to produce the desired shape using milling, grinding, or turning. Second, compressive, whereby a semi-solid or liquid material is forced into the desired shape before being solidified, such as with casting, compressive sintering, or molding. What is FDM? FDM is fused deposition modeling. It's an additive manufacturing method that creates parts additively using filament. The process deposits the filament layer by layer according to your 3D model. The applications is low volume production of complex parts, rapid manufacturing, functional testing, engineering and concept models, tooling or jigs and features. Process fused deposition modeling. During the FDM 3D printing process, the filament is extruded through a nozzle with which melts while being gradually deposited in a structured way on the build platform until the object is finished. This process works by material being melted and extruded through a nozzle to 3D print a cross-section of an object each layer at a time. The extruder of the 3D printer is attached to a system with three different axes, X, Y, and Z directions.
Next is what is SLA. SLA is meaning stereolithography, or SLA is one of the oldest 3D printing techniques ever developed. This additive manufacturing process is used to 3D print resin material using a protochemical process. Application: the SLA or stereolithography. SLA stereolithography prototyping resin is perfectly suited to the production of attached rapid prototypes. The finished product has a smooth, matte surface finish. SLA resin allows you to achieve a finished product look for your prototype. This SLA 3D printing technology is best suited to small or medium pieces with an elevated level of detail. Process stereolithography SLA. Stereolithography is an additive manufacturing process that it In its most common form, works by focusing an ultraviolet UV laser onto a vat of photopolymer resin. With the help of computer-aided manufacturing or computer-aided design, for example, using the CAD software. Okay, next, what is SLS? SLS is a meaning selective laser sintering is an additive manufacturing method. It creates parts additively by sintering fine polymer powder particles to fuse them together locally. Your plastic part will be created layer by layer according to your 3D model. The applications for this 3D printing process are consumer products, architectural models, drones, robotics, special machinery, jewelry, and watches, sport equipments, footwear, orthopedic technology, education, medical device, electronics, housing, medical device, sculptures, jigs and fixtures, promotion items, and more. Process selective laser sintering SLS, part recovery and post-processing. Post-processing SLS part requires minimal times and labor compared to other 3D printing process. It is easily scalable and yields consistent result for batch of parts thanks to the lack of subpart short tools. After a print job is complete, remove the finished parts from the build chamber, separate them and clean them of excess powder. This process is typically complete manually at a cleaning station using compressed air or a media blaster.
Okay, what is LOM? Okay, LOM is laminated object manufacturing. It's a 3D printer method. Layers of material, plastic or layers of paper are fused or laminated together using heat and pressure. Okay, number two. Point number two is LOM machine are mainly used for rapid prototyping plastic. Its low price and fastness make it convenient to make prototypes even though the produced objects are far from end-use part. Okay, process laminated object manufacturing or LOM. The process is performed as follows. Figure 7. First, sheet is entered to a substrate with a head roller. Number 2, laser tracks design dimension of prototype. Number 3, laser cross hatches non-part area to facilitate waste removal. Point number 4, platform with complete layer move down out of the way. First sheet of material is rolled into position is number 5. Okay, number 6, platform down into new position to receive next layer. And lastly, the process is repeat until full model or prototype prepared. Okay. The next is what is BPM? BPM is business process management. Is the discipline of improving a business process from end to end by analyzing it, modeling how it works in different scenarios, executing improvement, monitoring the improved process, and continually optimizing it. A BPM application is a tool that allows organizations to manage, automate, and optimize their recurring business process. Business process management application generally consists of a customizable digital form to collect information for the process and an automatic workflow of tasks that process the information. Figure 5, figure 8 show process management process business process management BPM. Thank you.